In this section, I'm going to focus in on some extraordinary objects in more detail and types of objects in more detail. Supernova are when stars convert a significant portion of their matter through nuclear conversion into energy in less than a second. In that second, they can outshine the entire galaxy that they're in and put off as much energy as our sun does during its entire lifetime. There are many different types of supernova. I'm only going to talk about a couple. Type 2 supernova is when a very massive star, at least 10, maybe 100 times the mass of our sun, finishes burning up its nuclear material. Then it no longer has enough internal pressure to keep pushing back gravity, and the star itself collapses. This star collapse then reignites the nuclear fusion, burning elements heavier than iron. And the star explodes. The leftover core eventually collapses into either a neutron star or all the way down into a black hole. A type 1 supernova is due to a much smaller star, a white dwarf. But this white dwarf has a companion orbiting with it, which dumps material onto it, reigniting the nuclear reaction until the star can no longer support itself, and it too explodes. Vela Supernova remnant, 100 light years across, 10 degrees wide, 10,000 years ago it went off, and it's 800 light years away. The Vela Nebula star exploded 8,000 years ago, covers nearly 3 degrees on our sky, and it's 1,400 light years distant. Supernova stars detonate for two known reasons, either from gorging on too much mass stolen from a companion star or by running out of fuel and abruptly collapsing. This is Tycho's supernova remnant. The blue arc on the bottom is material ripped off of a companion star which survived the explosion in 1572. This supernova remnant spans about 23 light years, is 160,000 light years away, and went off 400 years ago. Seamus 147 is 3 degrees wide, 150 light years across, distance is 3,000 light years, and its age is 40,000 years. This pretty supernova remnant is 30 light years across. It is in the Large Magellanic Cloud. This is just a small part of an expanding supernova that went off in 1006. It's 7,000 light years away and nearly 60 light years across. Sharpless 308, 5,000 light years away, covers almost a full degree on the sky with a diameter of 60 light years. The Chinese saw this one go off in 185 AD. It's 8,000 light years away with a radius of 50 light years. This is the Jellyfish Nebula. It has a neutron star at the heart of it. It's 5,000 light years away and spans 100 light years.